such a difficult job for me to go through. Hi guys. How are you? Varnika, good to see you back. How are you, ma?
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi. Hi, Easy. How are you?
I'm good.
How
Hi.
was the holidays?
It was good.
Good. Good to see. How are you? Hey, please put in your names. Bihan. Hi, Karthik. Good to see you back.
Hi.
Arush, nice to see you. How was your vacation? Adrit, did you enjoy your vacation? How about you, Varnika? Did you have a good vacation?
I did.
Sid, good job on the test, Sid.
Um,
Were you happy?
Yeah.
Did you did you practice the questions that were hard?
Yeah. You said like percentages and stuff.
Yes. Okay, yeah. That form as well I've sent for you more questions. Did you see that?
No,
I
I
sent it to
didn't
your
see that.
mom. Guys, I did put up a test for you all. Did you see that in the Google Classroom?
You
Yeah,
did?
but like I didn't finish it, Miss Priya.
No, no, hurry. You finished it. You submitted it. Or now?
The 95 minute something thingy.
Yeah, you
I
finished it.
That
Yeah, you submitted it. Pranavi, you submitted, right, ma?
I submitted one of them, but I didn't submit the 95 one.
Yeah, but coming to your question, can you show your email? Meaning, if you don't mind, share the screen and show the question numbers that were incorrect. Because
oh
when
Yeah.
I went back and checked, I felt like the 20 was right. Can you check? Because see, for some reason I didn't get the email. Usually I get the email. Can you show me now?
Hmm.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
There's two questions that were correct, but it marked
Yeah,
it
yeah, yeah.
incorrect.
Correct, ma. I have to change it, ma. No problem. Thank you for telling. But I felt like 20 was still right. Would you mind sharing that
Yeah.
20th problem? Sorry about it. I don't have any other go, I felt. Because for me, what I had was, it was right. Go down. Wait, 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 wait. 20th one, right? Okay. You know what? Yeah, yeah, but you did not see. Wait, 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 wait. The question was not this. Compute and simplify was this, but then it asked you to write it out as a decimal, right?
Yeah.
Pranavi, wait, ma.
But it.
No, no, no. Okay, I hear you. No problem at all. I hear you. Let me quickly check on something. I really want to fix all this out. Let me see. My problem was I did check, since you told me to check, I did check on this. But to my 20th question, right, ma'am?
Yeah, and then 46. And then those were the two questions that were correct, but it marked it incorrect. And then 40, I had a question on.
Yeah, I know, I know. You know what? For that question, it should have given us, see, answer should be a simplified fraction or exact decimal was given there, right?
On number 20?
Yes.
Yeah, but I did do it as like a mixed fraction. Never specified like.
Yeah, it never specified. It specified answer as a simplified fraction or as a decimal. That is why it marked you incorrect. You got it?
But 1 1/2 is a simplified fraction.
No, no. It's a mixed
Minus.
number. Simplified fraction is 3 by 2. You got it.
Mm-hmm.
Come down.
Okay.
46th, what was the problem? Good, good. But Pranavi, I'm so happy that you're bringing it up, because wherever I need to correct, I need to correct. Okay, this one, ma. Oh, you know what? Okay, let me go to the problem. Your answer is right, but let me see. So the thing is, see, it is auto graded, ma. So the thing is, okay, wait, 46, right? Seema, enter as a simplified fraction or a decimal, exactly no words. Did you see that?
Number 46.
Yeah, you have said so many words. Did you see? Who asked you to
Yeah.
write per hour, dollar, all this stuff?
Uh, I
Meaning,
thought.
the question was given, meaning, I'll show you. No, no, I'm good. So that others also understand, right? I'm glad you're
Yeah.
asking. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, so let me start.
Yeah, sure.
I started it, but I didn't finish.
Yeah, so you need to be careful reading the questions, guys. See here, the question is saying enter as a simplified fraction or as a decimal exactly. No words. What does that mean?
No words.
Yeah, no words. You're not going to use any words. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the deal here. Okay, that is why it marked it because I went and checked and I felt like I was right. Meaning, I don't know. Meaning, see, it's being auto graded, mass. So that is why I put this in here. Enter as a simplified fraction or as a decimal. You got it? So only the numbers. If it asks for a simplified fraction, no mixed numbers. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So my main thing is what I saw across the class was 4D was a problem. I don't know what is 4D. I'm going to check what is 4D. You see, 4D was this. I do see that there is a problem. 4D. Let's see what is 4D. 4D was a big problem. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. 4D was a huge problem. Let me see. You know what? My Chrome auto closed, so you'll have to wait, guys. Something wrong. Yeah, ma?
I have a question. Like, did you ever teach at a school?
No. Why?
I was just asking since you teach classes. I was just asking. I was curious.
No. And is it similar with the school?
I mean, yeah.
Oh, that's good to know. I'm happy. I'm here. I'm able to match with the school. That's good to know. Okay. So 4D, this is what I see, guys. Okay. I'll show you. Can I share my screen with you all? You have to know what you're learning and where are you all missing. Let me show you. 4D, where is it? Where is my Chrome? I don't know where is my Chrome. What is going on, guys? Yeah, you see here? Oh my god. What are you seeing, guys?
It just says your name has started sharing screen.
You know what? You do see it?
Oh, now I see it.
Okay. 4D. All of you are lagging in this proportionality. Give examples of rates as a comparison by division of two quantities having different attributes, including rates as quotient. This was a big factor. I saw that everybody and percentages. Anything related to percentages was big trouble as well. Let's see how to patch that gap. And has the school started for Karthik?
What?
Has the school started?
Yeah. No. School's starting on Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay, good. So now, guys, in this, right, I really want you all to take these two tests. Do you see? Spiral Review G734 and 95-minute timer based test. You are all seeing it?
So the one that I just showed you, that one's the first one, right?
I got it. I'm aware, ma. Sanskriti, how are you? Good to see you. Are you okay? Okay. So you are going to take these two tests. Okay, this is the mid-year exam. Whatever we have covered till date has been covered here. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Do you all understand? This is big work. Okay, take your time. This is a 95-minute timed test. This is not a timed test. Okay, but then you'll have to complete whatever per instructions. You got it?
Wait, the one that we did just now, the one that I just showed you, that one was timed, but you said that wasn't.
Oh, that wasn't timed. Okay, so
It was
time
timed.
How many
It
minutes?
was timed.
How many
It
minutes?
was 90.
90. So these both are going to take time, guys. So on two different days, please take the test. Then only we'll know where you are. Particularly this mid-year exam is quite important for all of you. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I want to revise some of the questions. Yeah, ma, go
I
ahead.
have one question.
Yes,
So
please.
you sent me, you sent my dad this form. Will I get a score back for that, or is it just a practice thing?
I don't know the correct answer to that. Okay, I was also wondering. I think you'll get a score the next day.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm right, you'll get the score the next day. Okay, don't quote me on that. Okay, I have to check, but don't quote me on that. But for sure, I think you get it the next day. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now can I move on? Okay, now you know what I want to do. Let me see. I want to bring up Arnav's. Yes, see here. Okay, now guys, okay. Vihan, can you tell me what is the value of minus 3 times minus 8?
24.
Yeah, 24. Good job, guys. Yeah, what is the problem, Vihan? Yes, tell me.
I was just making sure.
Okay, you're just making sure. Okay, let me see. It's not my meaning. I don't mean to pull you at random, but I would like each of you to know. That's why I ask these questions to particular people. Let me see here. How about this? Can all of you send it in chat? Compute and give the answer as a simplified fraction. Can you send the answer in chat? These are some questions that you guys are missing. I really want to understand that where we are missing, guys. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we need to revise this as well.
I have a
Let's-
question.
Hmm.
I don't get this. Like, I don't get how to simplify it.
Yeah, I'll help you. See, 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 8, right?
Yeah.
What do you do here? The plus and the minus, right? They are not nice people because they are different, right? Their different signs means they become a minus, right? That's what we have learned earlier. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8. Many of you are sending answers with mistakes. It's okay, it doesn't matter. That's why I'm bringing this up. Okay, I didn't expect that this was going to be difficult for you, but it's okay. Looks like it's difficult for some of you, and I accept it. Okay, I want to hear from some of you as well. Why did you answer like that? Okay, now they are of different denominators, so I have to make the same denominator. For that, I multiply by 4. So this becomes 4 by 8 minus 3 by 8, which is 1 by 8, right?
Oh, that's the answer I got. I just didn't get how to simplify it.
That's all. Now, Vihan, how did you get the answer?
Miss Priya.
Wait, Mar and Arnav, please wait. Vihan, how did you get the answer?
So I simplified 1/2 into 4/8, and then because it's a plus and a negative,
Uh,
it's basically a negative.
uh,
So I take the parentheses out and I do 4/8 minus 3/8, which is 1/8.
that's good. But Aniket, your answer was not one. See, you guys are editing your answers. That's not nice. That's not at all nice. If you edit your answers, I hate that. Your original answers are your original answers. You cannot change it. And that's not nice as well. Okay, etiquette demands that we have our original answers and we'll stand by that. Just explain to me where are you making your mistakes and I can correct it. But Vihan, your earlier answers were minus 3 by 16 and 7. You didn't edit it. I'm just saying. Minus 7 by 8, right? Why did you get that?
Because I missaw it and I thought it was, I think, multiple.
Oh, okay. You did not work it out and do? Ah, okay. See, those are the mistakes so that I can keep telling kids, oh, work it out on the paper, right? That's why I'm asking, where are you making these mistakes? Okay, good. Now, I want to know more. Hold on.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry, Arnav, you wanted to say something. Go ahead.
Yeah, but I thought if you're doing like a math problem, if anything in the problem is negative, so the answers has to be negative. That's
Not
what I
really.
thought.
Depends on the quantity, right? If you have 2 minus 1, you cannot say minus 1, right? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. You got it?
Yeah.
Depends on the quantity you're doing. How about this, guys? This was also several of you made mistakes. Let me see. How about this? These things I cannot let you do mistakes. Let me see. Meaning this today I'm going to revise a lot. What is this? Compute and give as a decimal. I'm giving minus 2.4 plus 1.75. Please, all of you send the answer in chat. Don't edit your answers. It's okay to have wrong answers in my class. I really don't like when you have answers that are edited after I say. That is not fine.
Wait, do we send both of them together?
Yeah, you can send one by one. It's okay.
I sent my first one.
Oh, Miss Priya, mine kind of says chat disabled.
You have a new chat, right? Open that. Varnika, you're able to chat with me, ma? Kanishka, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Did you draw more during the holidays?
Yeah, I did.
That's nice. You should show us.
It's been a while.
Ah. Good job, Arnav. That was good. So when you will get a minus is when the quantity is bigger, when the negative quantity is bigger. Ah, Varnika, you're making a mistake, Amma, there. I'll help you. Varnika, do you want to retry?
Miss
It's not a
Priya?
hard one, Varnika.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, Amma.
I created a separate chat between us two only, and it says you cannot chat with the meeting group chat during this meeting. But like there's a blue box and it says your name in it, and I have it clicked on that, but it's still not letting me.
I sent both of mine.
Yeah, some of you are complaining that, you know what? I think your Zoom is not updated. That's the deal.
Probably.
Okay, I can see. See, messages can't be synced to this meeting chat due to the settings or some participant Zoom's workplace app can't support this feature. Is your Zoom not upgraded? Please upgrade it soon after this meeting. You can't do with me otherwise. Karthik, that's right, Karthik. Very good job. Sid, very good job.
I know the answer and I typed it, but it still won't let me. So.
Sid, can you Pranavi, for what ma? 4 by 10 is the answer.
For number 20.
Not really. That's the same problem you made a mistake on, right? That's division,
Oh,
right?
sorry, I didn't see that. I thought that was.
Okay. Sid, do you want to explain how you did this, Sid, on the board?
Okay.
Hmm.
I changed my answer. Is it correct?
See, you're going to be physically, mentally present in the class. Each of you.
Miss
Okay, that
Priya?
is so important. Go ahead.
So I actually revised this question, but it just looked like a plus sign. So
Oh, I see. Okay, good. Sanskriti, good job, ma.
When you add a positive number to a negative number, it's kind of like subtraction
Mm-hmm.
because with the negative number, if you add the positive number,
Mm-hmm.
it looks like the value is going down.
Mm-hmm.
So you could kind of do that. Like,
Good job. So this negative number is bigger than this positive number. Okay, since both are of different signs, they both are different signs. You just subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. This sign is bigger. This number is bigger. So see 2.4, 1.75. One is a plus, one is a minus. So you subtract them whatsoever. Varnika, when you subtracted, you forgot to put the 1 here. That is why you made a mistake. So it is 0.65 and you put the sign of the bigger number. Can I go ahead? And a few more questions I'm going to revise. After I revise these questions, I'm going to go into areas. Okay. I really want to complete areas, so you have to be cooperative with me with respect to completing this. Okay. So I have to revise 4 or 5 more questions. Okay. What is this, guys? I'm going to do all of these questions, guys. I can't tolerate so many mistakes too. But let's see. Maybe that you did not understand. Okay. I'm going to do one by one. Okay. See, guys, these are integer addition, subtraction. I'm going to do it for you. A bank account begins at minus 35. Minus 35 means it's already on an overdraft. Meaning the person does not have money. Okay. He already is on a minus 35. A deposit was made. So what should I add with the 50, Vihan? What should I do with the 50? Add or subtract? Deposit of 50 was made. What do I do?
You add.
A deposit means I'm going to put in money,
Yeah.
right?
You're gonna add.
So plus 50. And then the withdrawal of 18 occurs. What should I do with the 18?
Minus.
Minus. So what happens here? 15 minus 18. So it is again a minus 3. Make sense? Okay. So the next one, a student writes, subtracting a negative number makes the result smaller. Is that right? Subtracting a negative number makes the result smaller. What do you all think?
No.
No.
Does it make it bigger?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, in this context, I'll ask you one more question. How about this? Suppose there is a number W. Okay. I am going to have 3 by 4 W. If I have 3 by 4 W, okay, if W is greater than 1, what will be the value of this?
Greater than 3 by 4.
Good job. If W is greater than 1, then the value of 3 by 4, see, because whatever you multiply, if it is greater than 1, then the original value of this increases. See, let's consider 2. When I multiply by 2, it becomes 4. But when I multiply by 1 by 2, the value of the original number decreases. You see? Am I with you all? Okay. How about this? Suppose I have 1 by 2 W, and if W is equal to 1.25, the value of this expression increases or decreases, Sanskriti? The value of this expression increases or decreases if W is 1.25?
It increases.
What do you think, Vihan?
I think it decreases
Why do you think it decreases, Vihan?
because 1/2 W means that whatever value W is, you're halving it.
Good answering. But Vihan, did you see that half was his original number? The original number was 0.5 and you multiplied that with 1.25. Did you see that? The value of 0.5 will increase. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Now, how about this? A student, okay, how about this? 1.2 divided by, let do it together, guys, okay? I'll give you this. This is all, I'll try to give similar problems. Let's see how do you do. Come on, go ahead and do this and tell me the answer.
In the chat box.
Yeah, in the chat box, ma.
I sent my answer. I don't get how to divide it.
Okay, I'll help you. Pranavi, you got the answer, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Pranavi.
Miss Priya,
Siddh.
can I show my work on the board when everyone's done?
Yes. Hey, Siddh, can you show how did you do, Siddh, on the board? Sanskriti, not really. Aniket, how did you do? Can you and Sanskriti do on the board? Aniket, can you do it on the board? Guys, you have to do on the board if you're called out. What is this?
Miss Priya, did I get it correct?
Varnika, that is correct. Bihan, that's correct. Arnav, I'm checking yours. No, Arnav.
It's not. Oh, I think I know.
Aniket, I'm seeing you do. Good job. 1.2 divided by 0.3. I see where the problem is. Okay, I got it, guys. Okay, very nice. Whoever Sid doing it on the board, very nice. Sid, what is 1.2? Okay, Sid, can I tell you an easy way to do this? What is the easy way to do this, guys?
I don't know. So, when you have 0.3, when you taught us that when you move the decimal, you would move the decimal the other place, so it would just
Exactly.
be 12 divided by 3.
Don't have this decimal in the denominator. You are going to deep it if you are having this denominator decimal. So to move it out, you multiply by a 10, multiply by a 10.
Just
What
minus
happens now? That gets you to 12 by 3. So easy. 12 divided by minus 3.
minus 4.
Don't have decimals in the denominator. You'll all make this mistake. Every mistake you will make if you have the decimal in the denominator. Throw the decimal. For that you multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 in both. So that becomes 12 divided by minus 3, which is 4. Aniket, did you see your mistake? But positive by negative is a negative number. So minus 4 plus 5 is a 1. You got it?
Oh.
Okay, see, those are all important ones that you need to learn. Good job, Sid. Okay, let's try. I'm going to move on, okay? How about this? A runner's speed is 8 meter per second. How many meters did the runner travel in 3.5 seconds? Suppose if I'm running 8 meter per second, right? In 3.5 seconds, how many meters will I run?
I know.
All of you answer in chat.
Okay. Can I explain it after I send it?
Yes, easy. I didn't give you the turn because I didn't have a chance, okay?
Okay. My chat's still not working.
You can.
Excuse me, teacher. Did you say that you could run 8 meters in 1 second, or did you say you ran 8 meters in 8 seconds?
8 meters in 1 second.
I sent my answer.
Aniket, Pranavi, you got it. Others, I'm waiting for your answer. Karthik, good job. Karthik, did you understand the previous problem where it was division?
Yeah, I understood now.
Okay, good. Arnav, please do it again, Arnav. Or do it in the board, Arnav. Sid, very nice. Very nice, Sid. Very nice explanation as well, Sid. Very nice. Okay. Got it, guys. Can I move on? Sanskriti, can I get your answer? Adrit, good job, Adrit. Sanskriti, good job. Okay, very nice. Explanations are good. Yeah, what is this, Arnav? Now you're getting 28. 28 is the right answer. Good job. Okay, guys.
Got 28.
You got 28, but you sent 29.
That was on accident. I misclicked.
Can I
Okay.
explain it? Or did
You want to? Okay, go ahead. I
Yeah.
don't mind stopping. I didn't mean stopping. Go ahead.
so if 8 meters isn't 3.5 seconds, you just ignore like the 0.5, and 8 times 3 is 24, and 0.5 is like 1/2, so 1/2 of 8 is 4, and 24 plus 4 is 28.
Good job. Okay, I have 2 more questions. Okay, guys. I'm going to let you do both the questions answer. Okay, let me see how you do. And after that, I'll pick up.
Do we send them both at the same time?
Yeah, ma.
I sent my answer. I sent.
I sent my answer.
Yes, ma, I'll check. Let me see. I'll go one by one. I'll check Pranavi's.
I think this is correct.
I'm correct. Miss Priya.
1 minute. Two, by oh wow, okay.
What?
Pranavi, that's correct.
Hello?
Can I explain it
Wait,
after
no, ma,
everyone's
wait. I'm
done?
going to go through the others. Sanskriti,
I made a mistake on the second one. Can I fix it?
you can. I want both answers clearly sent to me, Sanskriti. Siddh, both are correct. Arnav, both are correct.
Yay.
Karthik, both are correct. Aniket, what is the 23.1? Vihan, the first one is incorrect, Vihan. Can you please rework and correct it? Easy, Kanishka, I'm not getting your answers. What's going on?
My chat's not working, but I've been solving it.
Yeah, you can shout out, please.
Okay. Hold on.
See, the store sells water for $12 each. During the sale, the price is reduced by 25%. If they reduce by 25%, what happens? It goes down by that value. What is 25% of 12? You know, right? P by W, part by whole equal to X by 100. You are trying to find out 25%, right? So the whole is 12. What is that part? 25% you're finding, right? So what is that? X would be equal to 12 times 25. But 25 by 100 is 1 by 4, right? So 1 by 4 of 12. 3. So $3 it comes down. So subtract $3 from here. It's a $9 is the answer. How many of you didn't get it?
Oh, there's like a different way that I thought about it.
It's okay, ma. Let me move on for now, Pranavi. I'm not going to deal with this. A phone case costs $20. The price increases by 15% due to higher material costs. That means what? If it increases by 15%, you have to find out X by 100 equal to P by W. Okay. Now, 15 by 100 equal to what is the 15% part is what you have to find. Whole is 20, right? So here first simplify this. This is 3 by 20 equal to part by 20. So easily from here itself you can see that part equal to 3. $3 it increases. So the phone case will be costing $23.
But Miss Priya, couldn't you just multiply 0.15 by 20?
You can now. Aniket, where did you get that 0.1? Where did you get that 0.1? And Sanskriti, you went down by 3, but it says the price increases. Did you see that, ma, Sanskriti?
Made a mistake when multiplying.
Oh, I see. Sanskriti, the price increased. You reduced the price. Did you see that?
I thought I saw decreases. Sorry.
No problem. You making a mistake here is good, so that you won't make the mistake at school. Can I move on now? Okay. I really wanted to cover area, guys, today. Let's see.
Wait, area? Isn't that just length times width? I mean, my bad. Yeah, length times width.
You think it's so easy?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let me see whether that's easy or not. That is 8, right? For you, I really wanted to cover that properly. Let's see. Okay. You can make it very difficult, you know. Okay. Did I talk to you about triangle inequality?
Yeah. Wait, no, I don't think so.
Okay. Let's say, okay. Suppose triangle inequality. When 3 sides of a triangle are given, when do they form a triangle? Have I discussed that with you, Sid? Sid, I don't want you to switch tabs, Sid.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to be in the same tab. Okay, if I see you switching tabs, it won't work. Okay, I'll talk to your mom and stop the class. It doesn't work that way with me. Okay, so we are listening to the class. We are listening to the class. Okay, did we talk about triangle inequalities?
No, I
not
don't think
really.
so.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay, no problem. So angles in a triangle add up to what? Angles in a triangle add up to what?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. You all know that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it makes a straight line.
Now one of the angle is 92.1. One of the angle is 11.9. 11.9. What is the other angle?
We do it in the chat.
Yes, please.
What? Miss Priya, I don't understand.
The angles of a triangle are given. I'm asking you to find the other angle. Can you try that?
Is my answer correct?
I'll check.
Is my answer correct?
Karthik, be careful with subtraction. Karthik, redo Karthik. I know what mistake you did. Which one you did not understand, Adrit? This one you did not understand? Arnav, you are not subtracting properly, Arnav.
It's not my answer.
Sid, good job. Pranavi, good job. Oh. Varnika, good job. Sanskriti, good job. Kanishka, good job. Now, guys, so see here, guys, angles of a triangle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, all add up to 180 degrees. Okay, two angles are given here. You see, two angles are given. So add them up together. You get what?
104.
104. So from this 180, subtract this 104, you get 76 as the other angle. Did you all get it? But the subtraction, addition and all, if you make mistakes, I really can't do anything. You got it? Okay, do you all know the area of a parallelogram?
Yeah. No.
No.
Area of a parallelogram, okay, let's see. Okay, do you know the area of a trapezoid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? You're going to answer this question in chat. Next, I'll explain more. We'll see. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, I sent my
Arnav,
answer.
what is that, Arnav? You put a 666.
That was for the other one. I was gonna put 66.
Okay.
But for
Pranavi, that's
this,
correct.
I'm still thinking.
What did you say?
That's correct. Karthik, did you understand now?
Wait,
Sanskriti?
I don't get it.
Arnav,
Yeah.
that's not right.
Is my answer correct?
Sanskrit, that's correct. Vihan, correct. Guys, I told you the three angles should add up to 180 degrees, correct? This is already 90. How can another angle be 90? If this is 90, what would happen? Is this 0? Can that be 0?
No.
So that is why it can't be 90. Can I
It
move
could,
on?
wait, it could be G though, but like,
It is asking which measure cannot be the measure.
yeah, so that's the thing.
Good job. Now let's go ahead and try this one. Okay. What ma? In case of a triangle, right?
Here's your paper and book thing.
Sid, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay,
I
good.
was sending my answer for the other one.
Okay.
Sent it now.
Okay. So in a triangle, this is length A, length B, length C. Vihana, is everything okay with you? Okay, now if the sides A, B, C will form a triangle. Vihan, is everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So if there are sides A, B and C, right? The side A plus B when you add should definitely be greater than C. B plus C when you add should definitely be greater than A. C plus A when you add should be greater than. Make sense? This is an important, this is called triangle inequality.
Wait, can you keep that up there for like?
Yeah, I will definitely keep it up there till you say erase.
Oops.
If you're getting frustrated, don't do it. We always bring a book to work out, okay? Always bring a book to work out. Keep your laptops charged before the class. So do all this definitely before the class.
Okay,
What happened?
you can.
You're able to hear me, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of you talk and tell me, guys.
You can erase it now.
Wait, no, not yet.
Oh, okay.
Now can you shout out? One of you please say yes, no.
1 second.
I'm not able to. Okay.
Come
No. Okay. Can I erase this, guys?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Can you tell me whether the sides 3, 3, 6 form the sides of a triangle? Can you tell me whether the sides 3, 3, 6 form a triangle?
We send it in the chat.
Yeah, ma'am.
Wait, can I shout it out because my chat's not working?
Okay, Izzy, you can. But wait, Izzy, is it possible for you to? Are you logging from web?
I'm logging in from my account, but the only thing it's saying is like if you put like the normal chat, like the everyone chat, then I can chat with you privately. But like if that's not there, then I can't chat at all.
Yeah, everyone, yeah, chat on that. See the everyone chat. See whether you're able to chat with me at all.
But it's disabled.
That I have disabled. You have to private chat with me.
Yeah, that's what I can't do.
Excuse me, teacher. Can you like tell me what the question was again? Because I wasn't able to hear it.
No, can a triangle be made of sides 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter? That's all. You got
Wait, it says 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 6 centimeter.
3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 6 centimeter.
Is my answer correct?
It's a 3 just now.
I don't get this problem really.
Okay, I can help you. What did I say? Just now, I said that whenever you're given the sides of a triangle, you have to add these two. That should be greater than the other. Is it correct? No.
Yeah.
Add
that
these
means-
two, it should be greater than the other. That's right. Then add these two, it should be greater than the other. This is correct. All the three should be true. Then only they can form the triangle. In this case, when you add these two, That sum is not greater than 6. It's equal to 6, which is incorrect. So this will not form a triangle, and this is called triangle inequality.
Miss Priya.
Oh, I get it now.
So so what I did this in school one time, and my teacher told me that to add like the two smallest numbers, and if it's equal to the other number or less than the other number, then it can't be a triangle.
Sure, you can do that. But triangle inequality will, meaning it necessitates that you check all that sum. Okay. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? Okay. Let's see. I will go ahead and show a few more things. We are going to discuss triangles, and then only I'm going to go to areas. Suppose in this triangle this is 80 degrees. This is 20 degrees. This is what angle should this be, Aniket? What angle should that be, Aniket?
80.
80. Good job. Okay, then maybe I'll put it as 90, 20, and then 70. Now, when I give you the sides, right? I give you the sides as 5, 6, 7. 5 cm. How am I going to find which side is which? It's very easy. This angle is the lowest, right? This angle is the smallest angle. So the side opposite to the smallest angle will be the lowest number 5. Sid, which angle will be 7? Which side will be 7 then?
I think 7 would be the top side.
Which one, ma?
The very top of the triangle.
Which one? This?
90 degrees.
This one? This side?
No, the one above it.
This one?
Yes.
You were not listening. Clearly you were not listening. The 5 centimeter I said is the least, so it should be opposite to the least degrees I told you. So which one? I have this triangle. This is 90, this is 70, this is 20, this is 70, this is 20 I said. Now I also said the sides are 5, 6, 7. So the lowest angle, opposite side is the lowest number 5. So this is gone, I said. You were not listening to that. Then I asked which side will be 7 then?
Bottom. Like the bottom.
The bottom. Why? Because this is the largest angle. The side opposite to the largest angle will be the largest number. Make sense, guys?
And then the one on the right is 6.
Exactly. Now, how about if I have a triangle like this? Okay, this is 110, this is 20. Now I have sides 4, 3, 1. That's not possible, right? 4. Okay, 4, 3, 2. Which side is which? Let me give you the names so that you can send me the answers. Or just tell me the side AC. AC is what number? AC is what number? The side AC, what is the measure? What is the measure of side AC?
Yeah, I sent my answer.
Wait, are you asking like how much is like the angle A and C?
Ma, there is no angle AC. AC is a line segment. I'm
I
asking
know, but like
the length of the line segment. There is no
yeah.
angle A and C.
Sorry, I mean like that's what I meant, but like I just kind of said it wrong.
No. We should be very clear because I see kids that are in 6th and 7th grade asking similar questions. AC. This is what I'm asking. This is the line segment. If you want to indicate angles, this angle is indicated by 3 letters BAC. The center is your angle. Or you can say angle A. This angle here, right? This angle is either ACB or angle C. This angle is angle B or it can be ABC. You got it? Now I'm asking what is the measure of AC? AC is your line segment. So you need to send me the measure.
Is mine correct, Miss Priya?
I will check. Sanskriti, that's right. Vihan, I gave you 2, 3, 4. How are you saying 6? I gave you the sides as 2, 3, 4. Where did the 6 come from? Karthik, why
Wait,
it can't form a triangle, Karthik? It can form a triangle.
Wait, Miss Priya, are you asking like how much is the line segment? Like how many like?
Yeah, what is the measure? Is it 4 or 3 or 2? Karthik, why can't it form a triangle? Aniket, correct. Varnika, that is incorrect. You did not understand. Kanishka, what is the answer? Ma, you're not giving answers. Siddh, that's incorrect.
Now question.
Siddh, you were not listening. That's your problem. Were you listening to the explanation given, Siddh?
Yes.
No. Because you missed the first explanation, you are not getting it now.
Oh, that I wrote in that was for the previous question, not for this one.
So what is the answer? That's right, Vihan. How did you get it? Can you explain, Vihan?
I sent my answer.
Vihan, would you mind explaining to us?
I found out the line segment, the measure of the line segment from A to B, which is 2. And then I found the measure of the line segment B to C, which is 4. So the only one left was 3. So
very nice. So he's saying, see, this is the biggest angle. The side opposite to the biggest angle has the biggest number of the 3, 4. Now this is the smallest angle. The side opposite to that has the least number 2. So the only one left over is 3. 3 is AC. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is one. And one more thing. You all know the area of a rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? What is the area of this rectangle?
Is that, what does that say? Like the number of
Sorry. 4.
8.
1 times what?
8. Good job. 4 times 8 is the area. Now remember, for a triangle, I always do the half of it. Meaning, see, for a triangle, it's like, see, let's say we take this as the base. We call this as the base. Then you need to draw a line that is perpendicular from the opposite vertex. When you draw that, I call this as the height. So the area of a triangle is always half times base times height. Any questions? Any questions?
Oh, yeah. No.
Miss Priya, can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, go ahead and come back. So now, guys, suppose if I give you this triangle, you see, if I consider this as the base, what is my height? This is not my height. This is slanted. I don't want slanted heights. The height should always be perpendicular to the base. So this one, see, this is my height. They'll give you this. Even if it is outside, that is the height.
Miss Priya?
Yeah.
Couldn't it, what, is it like, can I draw something?
Yeah, please.
Is it right here? Is that the same thing?
Drama. I don't get it. What, ma?
Oh, is that the same thing?
No.
Peanut butter?
That's not the same thing. Pranavi, good question, Pranavi. I said, when I told you about the height, right? When do you call this as a height? This is the base. What is your opposite vertex? This is your opposite vertex. From there, you're going to drop down. You got it?
Oh, okay. I thought yes.
You're going to fall down from the opposite vertex. Okay. She asked a good question. Let me bring it up. Suppose if I consider this as the base, right? If this is my base, what is the height? This is my height. You got it?
Yeah.
So this is a little difficult when you think about it. The height can be outside, does not matter. But the base is always the base. This is the base, this is the height. Karthik, did you understand that?
Yes.
How about, let's say I have this triangle. This triangle, okay? Okay, now this side is 4, okay? This is 5, okay? This entire thing from here to here is 6, okay? This is 3, okay? You know the triangle is only here. Please understand that the triangle is just this. What is the area of this triangle? You can't take this as the base because nothing is given about it. You have to see which base and which height are given. So you have to properly do the area of a triangle, as I already told you, is half times base times height. Let's try this one. Find and tell me.
Wait, so you're saying there's no base? Or there is?
You have to take whichever base is given.
But there are 2.
Yeah, you have to take whichever base is given.
So either one would be fine?
Any base, yeah, any of the side can be the base, but the height should be perpendicular to the base, ma.
Is my answer correct?
Is my answer correct?
I'll check.
I don't get it.
Oh wait, sorry, no. Sorry, this is wrong.
That's a little hard. Okay, I'll help you if you know.
Sorry, I deleted a message because I did.
It is a little tricky. I can help you guys.
Oh, never mind. It's correct.
Is my answer correct?
I am checking. Hold on.
I deleted my answer, but like it was correct. So.
Okay, but let me ask you, what was the base? Who chose what as the base?
4.
4.
Okay, then what will be the height?
6.
Yeah. Yeah, 6.
6.
Good.
24.
4 is the base, 6 is the height. How many of you did not understand that? 4 is the base, 6 is your height. Why? The base and height are perpendicular. So half times 4, all the others are given to deceive you. So the answer is 12 units squared. Did you guys get it?
I just wrote 12. I didn't write square.
Yeah, same.
When it comes to a parallelogram, right? Same thing, it's like a rectangle,
right?
But again, if you consider this as your base, the height should be the distance between the bases. Height is always the distance between the base. Okay. So, the area of a parallelogram would be 5 times 6, 30 units square. Got it? For a parallelogram, the area is base times height. I'm considering this as the base, then this is the height. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you one more thing. You know, trapezoid. It resembles a rectangle and a triangle, right? So, but there are 2 bases to this. This is base 1. This is base.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, but here the only difference, this is also half times base times height. But the base is 2 bases, right? So sum both the bases, b1 plus b2.
Oh, so it's the same thing, but it's the same thing as
Same as a
the
triangle, but then the base should be the added value of the bases. Base means there are parallel lines. Got it? Any other questions?
Wait 1 second.
So what did we learn today? Area of triangle, area of trapezoid. Yeah.
And we reviewed our stuff. Oh, and we learned triangle inequalities.
What, ma?
And we learned triangle
inequalities, area of a triangle, area of a trapezoid, and we also learned about area of
Parallelogram.
a parallelogram. Correct. So I'll give you homework only on that. Make sense?
Okay.
Any questions for me?
No.
Can we stop here and see you all next week?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, but definitely do the homework. You have tests, 2 big tests to take. So please take that and come back.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya.
Yes, ma.
I'm doing a new artwork.
You want to show me?
I've done quite a lot of artworks, but I'm doing this one right now.
You want to show me?
Yeah, I didn't finish it. It's a demo gorgon.
Thanks. You want to show me the finished product next week? Nice.
Yeah.
Very good work.
Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Give me a minute, guys. I had the algebra 2 book. Okay, yeah. 1 second, ma. 1 second, hold on. Guys, give me 1 minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yukti, what are you doing in school?
So in school we just finished like our unit over like all of the cubics. And like we finished like our graphing. We had like a graphing project we did on the last week, and that was pretty much it.
Graphing project of what functions, ma?
It was just quadratic, linear, and cubic.
Oh, quadratic, linear, cube. Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, it was in Desmos, so.
Okay, makes sense. Okay. Okay, so let me go ahead and see where we are. Okay, I have something to get started, but before that, okay, you all didn't get the test as well, right? So I'm going to share a test with you. I really want all of you to take it. Just tests out all whatever you have done to date. Please, I think it's a 90 minutes test, right, Ashrita?
It's 120 minutes, 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours, 120-minute test, okay? So that is really a midterm exam that will test you on whatever we have done till date. Please take the exam sometime this week when you're free. Does that sound like a plan? I'll make sure I have it available in the Google Classroom. Any questions for me on that? Okay. Whenever you have time, take it, okay? Now, I did not yet put it. I'll put it tonight in the Google Classroom. Now, I'm going to go ahead with what? 1 second, guys. Last time we did rational roots, right? I plan to continue on that. But before I go to rational roots, I would really like to, before I go to solving polynomial equations and all, right, I would really like to see where we are with respect to our remainder theorem, factor theorem, and then only go to finding polynomial equations. That becomes very complicated as we move up. Then we have rational functions, right? So I would really, wow. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's see where we are. Hey, did all of you get the welcome email?
No.
No? No, I did send it only 4 hours ago. But I'm wondering why you did not get it.
I got it.
1 second, guys. There are some people who didn't get it. I don't know why. 1 second, guys. There is some problem. Hold on. Parents seem pinging. I don't know what is going on. Give me a minute, okay? It's okay if we start late today. Something feels wrong. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'm checking on the registrations as well because there are some parents pinging that they registered. I don't see. Hold on. What is going on? Sorry about it. You'll have to wait. Okay, let's go ahead. I don't see any registration. Okay, let's go ahead. Sorry, guys. Let's see this one. How about this? Do you know how to factorize this? Let's see. I'm going to review with a little bit of whatever we did before. How about this? Okay. You can use x minus 8 as a factor. Factorize it completely. X minus 8 is a factor. Factorize it completely. we did also discuss how to find rational roots, right, Ma? Yes or no?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
We're learning remainder and factor theorem at the end of class.
Did we learn remainder and factor theorem?
Yeah, we learned at the end.
Then okay. So we'll review that. Sahana, please, Sahana, go ahead. Just put a message and go. Adrit, okay. Yes, Ashrita, you didn't get it?
No.
You guys scare me a lot. I don't know. I'll check, ma. I thought I sent it. Aryan, yes, I can. You forgot, okay. Ashrita, okay, good. Okay, why you didn't get the welcome email? Ma? I don't know, ma. I'm checking. Ma. I don't know why. I'm checking, ma. I don't know. Okay, there are other parents complaining too, so I don't know. I'll check. Oh, I know why you didn't, Ashrita. Sorry about it. Okay, because you were in both, right? That's why you didn't get it. Okay, I'll make sure after the class you get it, ma.
Okay.
I'm glad you told me though. Where are we missing? Anyway. Okay. I'll do it. There are some people who say you don't know what is going on. Arush, did you get it?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Could you explain? Yes, I will. No, absolutely. Like they are applicable in solving problems since I'm using synthetic division. I'm not sure if that's the right way to solve. I will. Definitely I will. Yes, Pranav, that's right. Sri Charan, that's right. Anya, you'll have to factorize that as well, ma. Navneet, you'll have to factorize that as well. Okay, factorize this, right? So 1 minus 22. I pick up all the coefficients. 157, 360. Before I do that, I make sure, when I do that, I make sure Q 3, 2, 1, 0. All the x powers are there. And then I put a 8 here, 1 here, 8 here. Then 22 minus 8 is 14, right? 14 times 8 is 80, 8 fours are 32, 72, right? Oh, sorry,
It's
80 and then
112.
32. So that would be 112, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you'll get 45, right? It's a plus 45. So now 8 fours are 320 and a 40, that will be 360, right? It's a plus 360. So the remainder is 0. Now the reduced polynomial, there was a cube, right? Reduced polynomial is x square minus 14x plus 45. Now we found out one of the factor is x minus 8. So this polynomial can be written as x minus 8 times x square minus 14x plus 45, but it is not factored completely, right? So again, this what you can do about it, see, this is very easy. I feel 9 5s are 45, right? So minus 9x minus 5x, so that's the easiest one. X times x minus 9 and then you have x times x minus 9, and then between this you have, if you take a minus 5 common, x minus 9, so this can be further factorized into x minus 5, x minus 9. So the complete factorization would be x minus 8 times x minus 5 times x minus 9 for this polynomial. Any questions? Okay, so this is all, we are only factorizing, right? Okay, let's see, we are factorizing polynomials basically. Okay, okay, but as we move on, right, when I give you polynomial equations, you should be able, polynomial functions, you should be able to find the rational zeros of polynomial function. So basically, given a polynomial function, we are going to find out rational zeros. So since the process is similar, guys, I'm going to go there. Okay, we are going to find the rational zeros of the polynomial function, and then I will write the function as a product of factors. How do I do it? Let me go ahead, we'll do one problem. Okay, so I'm given a polynomial function x cube plus 2x square minus 19x minus 20. I'm being given a polynomial function. I have to find the rational zeros. I have to find the product of, I have to first find the rational zeros. Okay, then find, express the polynomial function as a product of factors. For me to do that, I need to know the rational root theorem. What is that theorem that I use? This is the rational root theorem. Okay, what does it say? The possible rational roots of a polynomial function, the possible roots of a polynomial function p of x, where this I can write it out as a1 x power of n plus a2 x power of n minus 1. See, it is in the descending powers of x, right? This polynomial is in the descending powers of x when you think about it. Do you see it? So this will be the constant an. It starts with a1 x power of n, a2 x power of n minus 1. It goes till an. In this polynomial, the rational root theorem says, helps us to find the rational roots. The possible rational roots of this polynomial are plus or minus factors of an, which is the constant term, divided by plus or minus factors of a1. Any questions? A1 is the leading coefficient. An is the constant term. Any questions here? This is not a difficult one, okay? When I meaning it portrays itself very difficult, but it's not difficult. What it says is, in this polynomial function, what are the possible rational roots? You will try to say it as factors of plus or minus here 20 divided by plus or minus 1, factors of 1.
What are rational roots in general?
Rational roots is when the polynomial becomes 0.
Okay.
Meaning, the rational root is here.
Okay.
For this polynomial function, all these are rational roots. Roots that are rational. You got it?
Okay.
Roots means zeros. Zeros means x-intercepts. Rational roots means roots that are of type rational. Rational means real roots. You got it?
Yeah.
Rational, you remember the real number system that we learned, right? Yeah. So it can be a fraction or a decimal where repetitive pattern can be known. So that type of a root, meaning the graph will cross the x-axis when x equal to a rational number. Make sense? Okay. Can I erase this? I can't erase this, wait, because my problem is here. So I'm going to do this problem. Okay. It's not a hard one, okay? It portrays itself very hard when I tell the rational root theorem. So for you to understand the importance of it, I made it very big and sophisticated, okay? But when I write the meaning, when we solve problems, so easy. So rational roots, so the possible rational roots here are what? Factors. First I need to write down what are the possible rational roots. Plus or minus an by a1, right? These are factors. Factors of possible rational roots are this. So here, what is that? Factors of 20 by 1. Right? Please don't forget the factors. What are the factors of 20? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 20, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 10, then plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5. Divide by plus or minus 1. Since the denominator is 1, you can just omit it because all are plus or minus, right? So here there's a lot, you see, possible rational roots are so many. In that only 3 are roots, right? So we don't know how to find, right? The best way is, suppose I will assume that plus 1 is a root. If plus 1 is a root, what should happen to the y value? What do you all think? If plus 1 is a root, what will happen to my f of x? Guys, I want you to think. If plus 1 is a root of the polynomial, what is the y value at that point?
Zero.
0. Yes, because root is what? X-intercept, guys. X-intercept means y value will be 0, right? So I will assume plus 1 is the root of the equation. Ananjay, did you get that? Ananjay, did you get that?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So now if I assume x equal to plus 1, it's pretty easy to find out plus 1. First let me assume plus 1. Let me not confuse. Plus 1, if I assume, what happens? 1 plus 2 minus 19 minus 20. What happens? Nothing happens. Oh my god. We have to see where the polynomial value is 0. But this can be quick. It takes time though. Okay. See, let's see. Somewhere it will be there. X equal to minus 1. See, minus 1 as well won't work because this is minus 19 minus 20. Something, it should be a big value. X equal to 2 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 8. That's good. But then it only evaluates to 16. But here it is a minus 19 minus 20. 2 is not going to work. Minus 2 is not going to work. Let me evaluate a 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. May. I don't know. 9 are 18. See, this might. Minus 19 minus 20. No. Because this is a minus 1. Here it's a 26 minus 20. No. It's not working, right?
Miss Priya.
Yeah. Is it working? Yeah. Go ahead.
Where did you get x equals 3 from? I thought we were only getting it from the list of the factors.
Yeah. Good job. Good job, Yukti. You found it. Yes,
Okay.
it was my mistake. Thank you. I did this. Okay, by mistake I went to 3. Okay, 4. Good job. Thank you, Yukti. Let's try 4. 4 4 is 64, right? Oh, wow. Will it work? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. But looks the meaning. I feel. Let's see. 4 we are here, right? Something of it will work quickly, but it's hard initially. Once you get used to it, it will be very easy. Okay. So what did I do? 4 is 64. You can tell as well if you get 1. 4 4 is 32, right? And then minus 19 times 4 is what? Oh my god. 20 times 4 is 80. 80 minus 4 is 76. Minus 20. Will it work? I don't know.
It will.
It works?
Yeah.
12. Oh, that's good if it works. Yeah, it works. So see, 4 we found 1 is a factor. So we can erase all of this. We don't need any of this. Only, see, rational root just helps to find that first factor. Okay, so x equal to 4 works. So what can I do? I can do synthetic division. 1, 2, minus 19, minus 24 worked, right? So I'll copy this here. 4, 6, 24. Sahana, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
Sahana?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma?
Why did you rule out -1?
Sorry, Arush, I didn't get you. What was that?
Why did you rule out -1?
Why did I?
Rule out -1.
Oh, rule out -1. Did -1 work?
I
thought it didn't work. I can check again. -1 cube plus 2 times 1 minus 19 minus 20 plus oh. Oh yeah, good job. Yeah, that also works. Good job.
Okay.
That also works. Okay, at the end it will be the same. Hold on, let me show you. X, it was my bad to rule out -1, okay, but then I found another, okay, proceeded with 4. You see what I mean, huh? But again, at the end, we'll end up with the same values only. So this was cube, right? So reduced polynomial is, let's see now, x squared plus 6x plus 5. When you look at this, this one is 5 and 1, right, guys? Plus 5 and plus 5x plus 1x, right? So when you factorize this, this will be x plus 5, x plus 1. You got it, Arush? Your factor. So, if you find 1, then the rest of it will pave its way. But -1 would have been the easiest for that matter. Can I move on? This is how you factorize a polynomial function. Okay, one main thing that I want you to know is if it is a rational root, at that point, your polynomial value is 0. That's something you need to know. That is why it's called a zero, rational 0. Can I move on? So, can I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. Let me try this one. I'll give you one more. You try and then we'll see. How about this? You try this one, guys. You completely factorize this using rational root theorem. Rational 0 theorem states for a polynomial f of x equal to, let me put it in the sophisticated way. Okay, rational 0. What is that rational 0 theorem? What does it say? So I'm going to say an, this is, let's say this is x power of n, right? Suppose if I have it like this, an minus 1, x power of n minus 1, like that it goes till a0. Suppose if I have a polynomial like this, rational 0 theorem, what does it say? Here, possible rational 0 theorem. We were talking about rational root theorem. But before I move on, give me 1 minute. Abhiram, I didn't see your registration, ma. That might have been the problem, okay? So at the end of the class, just wait for me. We will see what is the problem. Does that make sense, Abhiram?
Alright.
Yeah, for some reason, I don't see your name and the email did not go. Why I checked, there was no name, meaning I don't have your registration entry. Maybe I'm wrong as well. We can check it after class. Make sense?
Alright.
Thanks for joining though. Okay, now, okay, what were we discussing? Yeah, rational 0 theorem, right? So if p of x is a polynomial function with integer coefficients, right? Now, here, if for this function, if let's say a0 by an is a factor, then the function value at that root. See, if this is a factor, means this is a rational root, right? So the polynomial's value at that root is what? What is the polynomial value at that root?
0.
Yep, that's what is the rational 0 theorem. Because rational root is x-intercept. X-intercept is also called as root, is also called as what other names it has? Factors. So at that factor, at that x value equal to that factor, the polynomial value will be 0. Any questions?
Can you show us an example of this in a problem?
We just did, right? Let me show you.
Like with like numbers, like the eighth like stuff, that's kind of confusing me.
No. I'll go back and show you. Wait, you will recognize it quickly. Right away I'll show you. I'll show you more as well. Hold on. We just did, see. Here, what did we do? We took the factors. We found out 4 was a factor, right?
Yeah.
4 is the rational root, right? If I input 4, what happened? The polynomial's value was
0.
The remainder was 0, right?
Okay.
So what? Okay, the polynomial's value was 0. That is a rational 0 theorem. But the remainder was also 0. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So the polynomial's value at that here, right? The polynomial's value at any x is also determined by the remainder. Did you see that? Whatever is your remainder is the value of the polynomial at that point.
Okay.
See, f of 4 was 0. And when we factored it out using 4, the remainder was 0. So the remainder also matched the value of the polynomial at that point. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Arush, did it make sense? Okay,
Yeah.
we'll do that. I'll come there. Okay, at least you have to understand that at the rational root, the polynomial value is 0. Okay, that is enough for now. Okay, that I will deal with it in factor theorem and remainder theorem once more. Okay, we'll do one more problem. X power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 7x square plus 22x plus 24. I've given you a polynomial function. Can you please use this? It's a time consuming problem, okay? But I want you to factorize this and tell me the factors. See, we'll do only one problem. Once you're all thorough, I'm going to move on because this is time consuming. So please try. Not a hard one, okay? But you need to have 4 factors. Not a hard one. You have to use, because I need to know that you know rational root theorem. Okay? Abhiram, if you need help, I'll help you. Aryan, will you be able to proceed?
I'll try, Auntie. It was a little bit confusing, but I think I'll get it.
Ashrita, I better send it now itself to you, right, Ashrita? You find it, guys? I'll look at what are the issues now. For Ashrita, it is my bad. I have missed it, Ashrita. Are you stuck, or if you're not sure, please right away ask so that I'll help rather than wasting time. You're all... Oh, she just signed up 1 hour. Okay, Arush, I will check Arush because I think I sent 4 hours ago. Sorry, okay.
Okay.
I'll send it to you too. I'll check after class. I'm glad you're all asking though. Oh wow. Abhiram, is it already done in school, Abhiram?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Yes. Why is it correct?
Yeah, it is absolutely right. And tell me, Abhiram, what are you at school right now?
We're on Unit 6, which is about polynomials. You know how we like divided and multiplied them before? Yeah, we're still on that chapter.
Oh, but how are you doing the rational roots so fast? You have already done that at school?
Mm-hmm.
Rational roots also done?
Mm.
Okay, so what is upcoming?
Oh, she just like cut the unit in like after winter break. Like we only like went through these and then yeah, I don't know what else.
You don't know. Okay, when you receive it, can you send it to me?
Yeah, she only taught these three topics.
Okay. You have gone through factor theorem and remainder theorem, huh?
Yep.
Have they also done complex solutions?
No.
If you're able to do this one problem, I'm going to want because every problem will consume time. Good. Is that right, Navneet? Somewhere something is a problem, Navneet. I don't know what is the problem. Yeah, Sri Charan. I'll tell you which are incorrect, Sri Charan. There are two. See, that's what you have to be very careful. That is in. Oh my God. I'm sorry. No. Hold on, Sri Charan. So this one. X minus. What am I typing?
Miss
X minus
Priya?
1 is incorrect. Okay. X plus 25 minus 1 is incorrect, Sri Charan. Yes, ma?
Miss Priya, for some reason I'm getting a remainder when I'm dividing.
Okay, but what are you using? Navneet, in your case, right? I am so confused. Okay. Sri Charan, in your case, I sent whatever the incorrect ones. Did you see?
Yes.
Miss Priya?
Uh-huh.
Oh, what do I do if a remainder comes up?
No, you won't get remainder. You can factorize it very nicely.
Oh.
You're making a mistake then. 1
No.
minus 4 minus 7, 22, 24. But before this, you need to do the rational root part, right? Find out the rational root. What rational root did you start with, Yukti?
I got -1.
That is correct. Then you're doing the multiplication incorrectly. She got -1. -1 is correct. 1, then a -1, -5, 5, -2, 2, 20. So what happens? 24? See, I'm getting...
During synthetic, don't you flip the sign?
No.
Oh. Okay.
You got it?
How do you divide by the rational rule once you find the first one? So the first root I found was x minus 1. I don't know how to divide by that to get to the next step.
I didn't get you. Can you be a little elaborate? What was that?
How do you divide by the rational root to get to the next step?
Oh, how do you want to go to the next step, you're asking? So this polynomial function is now written as what? I know that this is a root. So x plus 1 is a factor, right? And after that, another reduced polynomial. This was x power of 4. I pulled out a linear factor. So this should be x cube minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. Now I have to do synthetic division on this. Rational root theorem on that. 1 minus 5 minus 2, 24. So now apply rational root theorem on that. Factors of plus or minus 24, right? So you will have to try so many other factors, right? So let me try. I know that minus 2 is a factor here. If I substitute, this is the only polynomial I am considering. So minus 2 will go good here. So 1, then that becomes minus 2, minus 7, 14, 12, minus 24. It becomes 0. Do you see? So now this can be split out as x plus 2, and then I have here it was a cubic. So I'll reduce it to a quadratic, x square minus 7x plus 12. Now you can factorize that. Did you all get it?
Alright, thank you.
So now easily I can write out the factors x plus 1, x plus 2, Srichar, and after that you did have a lot of mistakes. Did you see? So this can be factorized into what? 6 to 4, 3. 4, 3, right? Minus 4, minus 3. So x minus 4, x minus 3. Make sense?
But Miss Priya, how did you get x minus 2 as a x plus 2 as a factor?
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the factors of plus or minus 24? You have to substitute plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus...
after all that. So we do it again?
Yeah. Yeah, that is why I said it's a huge problem. If you have x power of 6, then it is a huge problem.
Okay.
You have to try 1 or 2. Okay, you will be able to stop at minus 2 itself, because there the polynomial value will be 0. Does it sound good, guys?
Yeah, because I just factored out the x cubed minus 5x squared directly.
You can factorize, see, the easy way is to apply synthetic division on this. After it becomes quadratic, it's easy to factorize.
Yeah.
Can I move on? Sahana, did you get it? Okay.
Yeah.
See, factor theorem, remainder theorem, I need to do different types of problems. I don't want to just deal with this. How about this? Okay. I really want you to do at least one problem correctly. Let's see. How about this? This is the last problem we'll solve. Okay. F of x equal to x power of 4 minus 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 4. Guys, if at least most of you find the correct factors, I can move on using rational root theorem. In the meantime, I will get. Let's see. Abhiram and Ananjay, before you came, we were telling that I have assigned a very huge test of 2-hour test on whatever we have studied till date in Google Classroom. Please put some time and try to take that test.
Sure.
Alright.
Yep, go ahead. Okay. Okay, suppose you can be given problems like this. You can do that. In the meantime, let me please put this out as well. See, when you are given a problem like this, what do? Determine whether x minus 3 is a factor. How do I determine? If the 3 is a rational root, what would happen to the polynomial? How do I determine whether it is a factor?
So we do synthetic division of x minus 3 divided by the function, and then it says
Great.
0.
Yes, that is the best way. Another way is substitute x equal to 3 in this function. What should be the value of the polynomial?
0.
0. So the factor theorem states if x minus k is a factor of a polynomial, then the polynomial's value at that k will be 0. Make sense? If x minus k is a factor or k is a rational root of a polynomial, then the polynomial's value at k will be equal to 0. That is the factor theorem. So factor theorem clearly is very much useful to find out whether a given factor is really a factor of a polynomial. That is the factor theorem. Okay, let's do this one problem. Oh, this is a good one. Let's see this problem. I just want different flavors. Let's see. Oh, these are good problems, guys. Let's see. We'll do these. Okay, Abhiram, have you already found the rational roots?
Yeah, I'm typing them in.
Okay, if you're done, I don't want you to be quiet. You can go ahead and do the next problem. Sricharan, that was not right. Did you understand your mistake?
Yeah, I forgot to include. I thought you wouldn't include the first constant or constant.
Oh, I see. Now you got it?
Yeah.
Anya, how about you? You also looks like you didn't get it, right?
It was for the first question.
What, ma?
It was for the first question. I can't find what I did wrong.
But even if you substitute -1 and 2, right? No, that was not correct even for the first one, right, ma? I showed you how to resolve that, right? Yes, Ananjay, what was that?
I still don't exactly get how to divide. So for my first factor, I got x minus 2, right? But I still don't understand how to divide the function by x minus 2.
Okay, I'll help you. Abhiram, Anya, I take back, ma. Anya, your answer seems right though. Hold on. So you answered for the first question on the board, you mean, Anya?
Yeah.
Perfectly right, lady. Thanks.
Okay.
Abhiram, you got it. So you can go ahead and solve the second one, Anya.
Okay.
Abhiram, you can also go ahead with the second problem. Let me do the first problem. Ananjay, I'm doing it for you.
First one right or no?
What was that?
Did I get the first one right?
Did you get the first one right? Let me check. Ah, that's right. Good job. Yes. So you got it right, Sricharan?
Yes.
Okay, now when you think about it here, right, the factors of plus or minus 4 is something you need to analyze. So it can be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 4, or plus or minus 2. So it's easy. The list is small, so it becomes so easy. However, I will try to put plus 1. 1 is easy for me. So 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 4 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's not working. Okay, if I put a minus 1, what happens? This is a 1. This is a plus 2. If I put a minus 1, this is a minus 3. Yeah, that works. This works. So minus 1 really works. Do you see? When I put a minus 1, that really works. So that gives you 1. 1 times minus 1 is a minus 1. Then it's a minus 3, 3, 0, 0, 4, minus 4, 0. Now Ananjay, here is where you're not getting your saying, right Ananjay? So this polynomial is written as what? X plus 1, right? If minus 1 is a factor, x plus 1 is a linear factor. Minus 1 is a root, x plus 1 is a factor. This is written as this polynomial. This was power 4, right? Now I copy this down as another polynomial, x cube minus 3 x square plus 0x plus 4. Do you get it?
Alright, thank you.
Now I have to redo this the same way, rational root theorem. You got it?
Thank you.
Yeah. So now at least most of you, if you can get this, I would be happy to move on to the remainder theorem and the factor theorem properly. Ashrita, that's correct, ma. You got a hang of it, right, Ashrita, now?
Yes.
I think 4 or 5 of you are getting, but there are some people who didn't get it. I'm waiting. Now, if you have done, please proceed with the second problem. Don't waste your time. Let's also find the roots of the polynomial functions. We'll do that.
Miss Priya, for the second problem, is that a K next to the B?
No. Please let me erase that. I think it's messing up. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Sorry about it. Oh yeah, we'll also learn to write out the roots, the polynomial function from its roots. Okay, that is the next topic. After that, probably yes, the next topic would be rational functions. Okay, rational functions is a huge topic in the sense it is difficult, but once you listen and get a hang of it, rational functions will become very easy. It takes time. So the number of problems we work out may be less, but make sure you become thorough within the number of problems we do, because each will take time. Abhiram, did you get the answer for the second one, Abhiram? Okay.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
Okay. Navneet, where are you, Navneet? I can help you. I'm proceeding with the first one, right? I got the first one as this one, right? You have to use rational root theorem on this polynomial, Navneet. No, you know, or should I do? Please tell me.
You do it.
Yeah, I can do it. Okay, now I'm going to apply rational root theorem on this this is factored, right? I have to factorize this, right? When I apply rational root theorem, possible rational roots are what? Rational roots are what? The factors of plus or minus 4. What are the factors of plus or minus 4? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 2, right? I will substitute one by one into the polynomial. I'll substitute plus 1 into the polynomial. I will substitute minus 1 into the polynomial. When I did that, I found out that minus 1 really again works. So I'll take minus 1 and then redo that same thing. 1, minus 3, 0, 4. I put a 0, minus 1. So it's a minus 4 in here. 4, minus 4. I'm sorry, plus 4. So this becomes a minus 4, 0. So now the polynomial becomes x plus 1. Again, another x plus 1 was a factor, the whole square. And then the reduced polynomial is what? This was a cube, right? Here it becomes square. 0x square minus 4x plus 4, right? There is some mistake. Hold on.
Miss Priya, I'm lost on the second one. I don't
You lost the
understand
second one.
it.
Second one I'll solve, ma. Navneet, but are you following how to do this one, Navneet?
Yes.
So when you do that, right? So this should you should have, okay, you should have x plus 1 the whole square, and I think it's x minus 2 the whole square. So the polynomial can be factored into x plus 1, and then I think it is x minus 2, x minus 2. Ashita, can you check whether this was your answer, or Abhiram, can you check whether this was your answer for the first one?
That's what I got.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Navneet, do you understand how to proceed?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Can I move on to the second problem now? Abhiram, did you get, or Anya, did you get the second problem, ma?
No, I was gonna ask for help because I didn't understand it. Like I got somewhere and then I realized I realized I wasn't getting anywhere.
Okay, let's do that, ma.
Yeah,
Second one,
I
see,
think I like
Yeah,
included
same here.
the numbers didn't make work for it.
I see. Let's see, guys. I don't know. Okay, this is, let's see, f of x equal to ax cubed. So this is the given polynomial. They are saying the remainder when you divide it by x minus 2 is 11. That's all. Okay, this is the second problem. Now find a they are giving. That means what? The remainder theorem, what does it say? If they give you the remainder of 11 comes when you divide this polynomial by x minus 2, or using synthetic division, if you substitute x equal to 2 in this equation, you get the polynomial value of 11. So 11 will be equal to 8 times 2 cube minus 2 times 2 square plus 5 times 2 minus 1. That means 8a minus 4 2s are 8 plus 10 minus 1 equal to 11. That means 2 minus 1 is 1. 8a minus 1 is equal to 11. 8a equal to a 12. A will be equal to 12 by 8, which is 3 by 2. Any questions? Did that make sense?
Oh, isn't it AA plus 1?
Let me see, wait. Let me see here. I just substituted 2 into the equation. What did I do? Sorry, guys. Wait.
It's because 8 minus
I
8.
got 5 by 4 and it was working.
What is it?
I got 5 by 4 and it was working.
Yeah, I got 5 by 4.
Okay, 1 minute, ma. Let me check. Then did I make a mistake? Let's see. I substituted 2. Substituting 2 is correct. Okay, 2.
You made a mistake in the second one for like when you're simplifying it.
Where did I?
Because it's 10 minus 9.
Where am I? 10 minus. Wait, ma. Let me check. Here 10 minus 1 is right?
Yeah, 10 minus 1 is 9. The 9 minus 1 is 10 minus 8 is 1. So it's positive.
Yeah, wait. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1, right?
You wrote negative 1. It's positive 1.
Ma, please, if you don't mind, can I go ahead and do this? Let me do this. 11 will be equal to 8a. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 1. Here, this is a plus 1, right?
Yeah, you wrote minus 1.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, got it. 11. So, what was your answer? So, it will be 8 is equal to 10. Okay, 10 by 8. Huh?
Yeah.
So, it was 5 by 4. Arush and Ashita, you're right. 5 by 4. Does that make sense? Anya, did it make sense?
Yeah, this made sense now.
So, basically, whatever remainder you get, suppose you're substituting x equal to k in the equation, you're getting a remainder 11 means that's what is the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem states the value of the polynomial at point k will be the same as your remainder when the polynomial is divided by the linear factor. Does that make sense? If k is a rational, if k, let's say there's a number, real number k, okay, x minus k, when you divide your polynomial by x minus k, whatever remainder you get, right, that is the same as the value of the polynomial when you substitute x equal to k. Make sense? Now, let's go ahead with the
Priya?
second. Yeah, ma?
Could you theoretically use synthetic division?
You can, okay, for solving this problem you're asking?
Yeah.
Yes, you can technically use synthetic division, but that's going to be very hard, right, ma?
Yeah, because I tried. I didn't get the same answer. I got like negative 3.5 as A. So
negative 3 point, okay. So you did synthetic division, your meaning, right? You did it like this. Good, meaning good try, but then you will make mistakes because you're doing the reverse, right, ma?
Yeah, I put 11. I got 5 by 4.
That's what I did.
Oh, maybe I did like a
this,
calculation
5 by
thing.
4.
That's what I did, but I didn't. I just thought you wouldn't be able to go to decimal.
Oh, you did the reverse and got it right, Sri Charan?
Yeah, but I just thought it was wrong because I didn't know it was like a decimal.
No, that is also right. But then, I don't know, guys. You did the reverse and got it right. I'm happy that you all got it right. But see, the remainder theorem is used only for that. Meaning, when you substitute 2 into the equation, they say the remainder is 11 means you can substitute the value of the polynomial to be 11. How easy is that? You see, when you are crunched for time, right, particularly when you go for an exam, okay, in this, right, if you do synthetic division, it's going to take you longer time than directly substituting it as 11 and making a linear equation and solving, right, ma?
Wait, also have a question.
Go ahead.
So it's automatic. It's like x minus like a, not like x plus a for the
Sorry, Sri, I didn't get your question. You can clarify and I'll help you. What is that?
Because it says 1 divided by x minus 2, but then you put 2 as the value there. Wouldn't that be minus 2 or?
Okay, good question. X minus 2. They are saying they are dividing it by x minus 2. They are dividing this as by x minus 2. That means what? Meaning, suppose x minus 2 is a 0 of the equation. What do you do? X minus 2 is a 0 of the equation means x minus 2's value was 0. Meaning, suppose let's say they didn't give you it as 11. Okay, x minus 2 is a factor they said. Then that means I can write this polynomial as x minus 2 times something equal to this polynomial I can write. So if I make x equal to 2, what happens to the entire polynomial value? It becomes 0, correct?
Yes.
Now, how do you do x equal to 2? You are substituting. If x minus 2 is a factor, you substitute x equal to 2. If x plus 2 is a factor, then x will be equal to what?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Does that make sense? That's what you're asking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, whenever they say, let's say they give you, okay, I divided by x plus 2 and the remainder was 11. If they give you that, see, here this is a factor. That means x plus 2, you are dividing this by x plus 2. Or the other way of telling it is you are substituting x equal to minus 2. Make sense? Okay. Now, the last one, what was that? For this, Abhiram, were you able to do this one?
Oh, I forgot to type it in.
Oh, did you do?
Yeah, I did it along.
Okay, now this one is, see, it brings all your concepts together. One is remainder theorem, one is polynomial factoring, and then you're also being given system of equations. So it is bringing up everything together. So this is how, if you go up and you have your standardized test, it will bring all your concepts together. So this is your polynomial. They are saying when you given remainder on, when you divide this polynomial by x minus 1, the remainder is 10. So what happens? I can substitute the value of polynomial to be 10, but you have to substitute x equal to 1 power of 4 plus a times 1 power of 3 plus b times 1 power of 2 plus c times 1 plus 5. So what is this equation? A plus b plus c plus 6 equal to 10, or my equation can be a plus b plus c equal to 4. This is my first equation. I'm done with this. Go to the next one. When I divide by minus x plus 1, so when I substitute x equal to minus 1 power 4 plus a times minus 1 power cube plus b times minus 1 square minus c plus 5. So that is what is 2. So that will be 2 will be equal to 1 minus a plus b minus c plus 5. These two combined you'll get 6. When you take it there, it becomes minus 4 will be equal to minus a plus b minus c, or I can say a minus b plus c will be equal to 4. So a minus b plus c equal to 4. You see, you will get 3 equations in 3 variables, right? That's what you're given, right? Yeah, you will get to, are you getting it like that? Yeah. You're not getting it like that. So subtract both. Yes, you are getting it. Subtract both the equations. What happens? 2b will be equal to 0. B is 0 I'm getting. Is b 0, guys? If b is 0, what?
I got b equals 0 too.
Then what is a and c?
I couldn't get those. I didn't have time.
Okay, you didn't have time. So how to get that? Let's see. So we got b equal to 0. A plus c is equal to a 4. B is equal to a 0. Abhiram, did you get the value of a and c? Oh, they have given x minus 2 as a factor. Did you see that? You get another equation. Do you see it? A plus c was a 4, but then we did not look at this. So when you substitute 2, what happened? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, it's a 16 plus 8 times 8.
Oh, I forgot it.
You got it? So plus cx, right? 2x, right? So you'll get another equation, right? Here you'll get another equation because of 2 is a factor. You can, factor means polynomial value is 0. Substitute 2 into the equation, you'll get another equation. Do you want me to do that? Let me do that, please. So that we are comfortable. With that we'll go. Okay. So substitute 2 there. So 0 will be equal to, I'm going to substitute 2. Okay, 2 to the 4 is 8, it's a 16. Then plus 8a plus 4b. For b was 0, right? Let me not do it. C, 2c, right? Plus 5. So what happens here? 16 plus 5, 21. Oh my god, what is this? 8a plus 2c. So 2a plus 2c will be equal to 8. I am using this equation, guys. So when I subtract both, I get 6a. I'm subtracting both, okay? Will be equal to, I'm getting 29. Something feels wrong. Can I solve it once again? Please.
Yeah, I got that too. I thought I did it wrong.
You got that too? Okay, then that's messy answer. So here a, you got that too. 29 by 6. B was 0. Then what is C? You have to plug that in then. 29 by C, 29 by 6. 4 minus 29 by 6 is 24 minus 29 by 6, which is minus 5 by 6 is C. Make sense? More than the answers, right? I'm just bothered about your ability to comprehend this and how to find the strategy to find the answer. Here remainder means you can substitute the value of this polynomial itself to be 10, this to be 2, and plug in the values, plug in the plus 1 value for this, minus 1 value for this, plus 2 value for this into your polynomial equation. Then you will get two different, system of equations. Solve the system of equations and then find. Make sense? Okay, so this is what is all about this factor theorem, remainder theorem and rational root theorem. So next week, given the roots, you will be able to write polynomial equations. And from then on, we'll move to rational functions. Any questions for me? Okay, I'll stop here. Algebra 2 class always runs above time because of the volume that you have to study. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Sahana, were you able to follow, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. If you don't have any questions, you can log off. If you have questions, please stay. Arush, I'll make sure the email comes to you.
All right, thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you next week, guys.
Miss Priya, I wanted to let you know that on the welcome email, the classroom code is linked to grade 6.
Oh my god. Sorry, lady. Same classroom link, no change.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't mean to do it that way. If that's so, I'm sorry.
Okay, bye-bye.
But all of you are in there, so don't worry. No new kids, nobody went out, so it's okay.
Okay.
Sorry about it though. Thank you for checking all this, Ashrita.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Abhiram.
You told me to stay back, right?
Yeah, 1 minute, Abhiram. Can I please check your registration?
What's the registration
No, no,
back?
you can talk to your mom about it, but can
I
you
could
spell
call
your
it.
last name for me?
Oh, Bonta.
B, please spell, ma.
Bontha.
Bontha.
Mm-hmm.
Ma, I didn't get your. Can your mom refill the form? I don't see. See, I have.
Or we go by Bontu, like Bontu.
Oh, TU. Okay, wait. Let's.
Mm-hmm.
BONTU. No, ma. Can
Oh,
you just tell your mom that
I
I
could
don't.
call her right here if you want.
If possible, yeah. If it's okay with her, yes.
Yeah, let me just go get her.
Yeah, sure.